Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today we explore the science of machine thought, examining a snapshot of research from December 19, 2025. This episode analyzes 33 papers from a single day, moving beyond black boxes to discover the principles behind AI reasoning and understand how machines think. Imagine an AI that answers a question brilliantly, then contradicts itself minutes later in conversation. Is it confused, lying, or following different rules? Researchers have discovered a systematic structured amnesia in these systems. This cognitive pattern can now be measured, like a heartbeat, revealing how artificial minds discount the past. The era of simply scaling models is ending. Research is moving beyond raw capability metrics. The new central questions focus on trust, transparency, and reliability. The field now seeks to understand the why behind AI decisions, building systems we can safely partner with. Early AI research mapped the coastlines of raw capability. Current work explores the dense interior of intelligence, charting rivers of reasoning and cognitive geology. This shift is about building the science of intelligence itself, compiling field notes from dozens of research expeditions. The first major theme is interpretability and trust, which involves fitting windows on the black box. Research includes NeuroGuard, a medical AI that provides visual explanations aligned with clinician reasoning. Work on faithful and stable neuron explanations provides a guarantee. When an AI indicates a neuron fires for cat faces, that explanation is now verifiably robust. Theme 2 is robust and causal reasoning, moving from pattern matching to model building. This involves teaching models the difference between correlation and causation. A survey on unifying causal reinforcement learning explores building agents that understand why actions create outcomes. The MSc 180 benchmark tests formal, logical reasoning, pushing AI from statistical guessing to true deduction. The third theme is structured and neurosymbolic systems, creating a hybrid mind with a poet's intuition and a lawyer's rigor. Innovations include few-shot learning on graph representations and NL2CA, a translator that converts language to formal cognitive rules. The Idoku system verifies reasoning chains like Sudoku puzzles, combining neural creativity with symbolic precision to build checks and balances into the architecture of thought. A key finding is the leaky cup of belief. Research by Jensen Zhang and colleagues discovered that large language models act as discounted Bayesian filters. Unlike perfect Bayesian systems that integrate all evidence equally, LLMs discount old evidence exponentially. They possess a measurable discount factor, gamma, typically between 0.85 and 0.95. This explains why AIs appear to forget earlier points in extended conversations. Another key finding addresses the persistent self. Minyang Sun and the team behind Sophia introduced a metacognitive narrative identity layer called System 3 to combat the episodic nature of most AI agents. This layer manages long-term goals, memory, and a self-model. The framework achieved an 80% reduction in reasoning steps for recurring jobs, and a 40% performance gain on complex tasks through accumulated knowledge. Junyu Zhang and colleagues proposed fundamental laws of reasoning. The compute law states that thinking should scale with problem complexity. The accuracy law states that more thinking should improve answers. These translate to testable properties, monotonicity and compositionality. Most current models fail at effective problem decomposition. However, fine-tuning models for better compositionality was shown to improve their performance across standard benchmarks. The featured paper of the day is Large Language Models as Discounted Bayesian Filters by Jensen Zhang et al. This work used an elegant method of probabilistic probes as AI psychology tests, such as hidden parameter inference with drifting distributions. Mathematical fitting revealed a consistent discount factor, demonstrating this is not a bug, but an architectural characteristic. Crucially, the research showed prompt-level interventions can effectively patch the leak in reasoning. This paper changes everything by moving from observing behaviors to understanding mechanisms. It provides a quantitative language for cognitive operations and explains common failure modes in extended dialogue. The work enables diagnostic measurement of an AI's attention span for evidence and points to practical solutions through prompting. It reframes AI as a rational agent with quantifiable, addressable biases. Future directions involve the civil engineering of intelligence, guiding wild rivers into productive irrigation systems. This includes an explosion of work on external cognitive scaffolds, establishing causal reinforcement learning as a new standard, and developing the sociology of AI agent populations. The field will rely on unified evaluation through rigorous benchmarks, moving from the alchemy to the chemistry of intelligence. In conclusion, the field of AI is coming of age. Key takeaways include a new lens, discounted Bayesian filtering for belief updates, a blueprint for persistent agents that remember and grow, proposed laws of reasoning for efficient design, and innovations like the external hippocampus to amplify small models. This is an invitation to join the essential conversation about how we build and live with AI. This presentation was created through AI synthesis and review. Content was synthesized using GPT models, with text-to-speech via DeepGram and image generation using OpenAI models. All synthesized content was reviewed by a human expert. References to all 33 discussed papers are available upon request. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the archive preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses archive preprint server content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by the archive preprint server.